Okay, today we're going to talk about doing cash discounts with using the gross method. So we have, if you're using the Spiceland Intermediate Accounting book, it's on page 377, exercise 75, but you don't need it for that. We have Harwell Company manufactures automobile tires. On July 15th, the company sold 1,000 tires to Nixon Car Company for $50 each. The terms of the sale were $210 net 30, and Harwell uses the gross method of accounting for cash discounts. So first we want to prepare the entries, record the sale on July 15th, and then the subsequent collection on July 23rd. So what we would do is we are going to, and as in all sales, we're going to debit our accounts receivable for $50,000 for the total amount of the sale, and we will credit our sales revenue for $50,000. Notice we haven't anticipated any discounts at this point in time. Okay, when they actually pay, so they paid prior to the 10-day expiration of the 2% discount, so we're going to debit cash, and we will debit that for 98% of the value. So it's going to be 98% times 50,000 or $49,000. Okay, and we will credit, we're going to debit our sales discount for 1,000, and then we will credit our accounts receivable for $50,000. Okay, notice since we did use sales discounts, when we report this on our financial statements, we would actually report, in general times you're going to do report sales at net, so you're going to report your revenues at 49,000. But you can also do it if you're doing a multi-step income statement where you would list sales revenue less sales discounts. Okay, so what happens then if they don't pay until later in the month? So in example 2, they would pay on August 15th. Okay, so my solution in this is going to be my initial sale, again, is going to be the exact same. Okay, but what is going to be a little bit different is how we record it. We're just going to debit cash for 50,000, and we are going to credit accounts receivable for 50,000, as they did not take advantage of the discounts, so they have to pay the full price. So that is doing our cash discounts using the gross method.